This is the elevator at the brand new Dick's House of Sport, formerly Sears, at Ross Park Mall in Ross Township, Pennsylvania. This is a brand new Schindler 5500 glass elevator in the center of the store. Here it is. This elevator is very busy, but I managed to get it right now. As a standard fixtures, which I find interesting, all the other locations to date have vandal-resistant fixtures. Up to 2, here you go up. Here are 2. 200 feet a minute. Back down to 1. Count away. It says core 1, so I'm gonna put core 5. Take one more ride, because this is a cool elevator. I got this side going up now. Front and rear opening, just like other locations. Somatic glass. Somatic, I think, makes the whole door in glass mechanisms. Two round trips with no people. Awesome. And as a bonus, we'll send it up, I guess. And that's it.